I mean, we most definitely have a SMT here, and ES looks very strong. So I'm taking that, and I'm using that as confluence for this sort of setup here that we have going on here. If you start getting speed above here, I'm going long. Speed with displacement. Treat this as a bullish order block. Okay, we're in. Stop loss is right here. Treating this as a bullish order block. Ideally, I wouldn't even want to see a trade over there. Wow, wow, whoa. What's going on here with ES? ES is almost back up to this high. I'm using ES as a confluence for this trade because ES is looking very bullish. We have SMT here at these lows. ES didn't even come to sweep these lows here. Ultimately, I am targeting all the way up here. I will be taking some partials though. Okay, nice. I'm just gonna trail my stop up just a bit, take off some of that risk. If we leave this fair value gap open here, I'm moving my stops up right to this order block. And I'm gonna take a, I want to take a partial here. Just a small partial, just at that consequent encroachment right here. Probably just sell it right there. Okay, stops are coming up here. Okay, partial booked. Price is running here. Modify this order. Modifying this order as well. I don't know what just happened here, but price is just absolutely ripping here. See if we could get above this previous candle here. Better treat that as a bullish order block. Looking for the bodies to get above there. We're approaching that 950 to 1010 macro. We might make a run on this high. We might make a run on this high at the 950 to 1010 macro. It's 946 right now. Again, I want to see a close above that candle to form this a bullish order block, and then stops are coming in to break even. I'm expecting this gap to remain open for the most part. So my stops could just come below consequent encroachment here. Let's see if we can close there. Okay. Stops are coming in right there. We have a small little 3-minute order fair value gap here that I'm looking at. Might want to trade into that, get some fuel before we take off. if we get above that down close candle, if we get above this down close candle, treating this as a propulsion block. Okay. Better treat that as a propulsion block right here. It's already noted out with that consequent encroachment, the down close wick on the daily. So I'm not trying to mark up my chart too much here. 45 seconds away till we're into the 950 to 1010 macro. I want to see speed here. I wouldn't want to see come back into, I wouldn't want to see this candlestick come back into this range here. I'm trusting that we already did all of our work here when we traded into this order block to take us higher. That's what a propulsion block is. So I would want to see this to be a highly sensitive area right here. We have a new 5-minute candle here. We're in that 950 to 1010 macro. Yeah, ES absolutely just ripped through that high with displacement. That's absolutely insane. Starting to slow down a bit here. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Trailing my stop. Just above here. So close. Praise be to the Lord. Hallelujah. Look at that run. Look at this run. No retrace. This is a perfect example. This is a perfect example of a low resistance liquidity run. No retraces on the 1 minute into any sort of fair value gap here. These are the type of runs you guys want to get into. Because I'll tell you what, it's so refreshing. It's actually so refreshing. When you see prices running here, running, it's so refreshing. And when it hits the target without ease, rather than its prices is chopping around, it's going all over the place, it's not respecting any PD arrays. I don't like to be involved in those moves. These are the types of moves that I aim to get. And if I could just get one of these a week, you're fine. You are completely fine. So now that I got this trade, I'm done for the day. No need for me to sit in front of this computer, force myself to trade, force myself to push buttons. I'm done.